Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. A model initially estimates that there are 24,000 bacteria on a petri dish. 14 days later, the model estimates that there are 96,000 bacteria on the petri dish. Assuming exponential growth, the formula capital B equals to A times 2 to the power of x times D gives the estimated number of bacteria on a petri dish, where A and X are constants and B is the number of bacteria on the petri dish D days after the initial measurement. What is the value of x? Okay, here we have the exponential growth function, that is capital B equals to A times 2 raised to the power of x times d. Whenever we have an exponential function, the constant we have here represents the initial value of this quantity. That is initially how many bacteria we have. So that is given by this constant lowercase a over here. According to the information, initially we have 24,000 bacteria on a petri dish. So this is a value of this constant A. Okay, now let me plug in 24,000 for A over here times 2 to the power of x times D. And there is an information 14 days later, the number of bacteria in the petri dish is 96,000. That is, when this lowercase d is 14, the value of this capital B is 96,000. Okay, let me plug in. Then we get 96,000 equals to 24,000 times 2 to the power of x times 14. Okay, let me divide both sides of this equation by 24,000. Let me do it. Okay, this 24,000 will cancel out. When I divide 96,000 by 24,000, I am getting 4. On the right side, we have 2 to the power of x times 14 can be written as 14x. Our aim is to get the value of x. And in this equation, we have x at the exponent. Okay, whenever I am trying to solve for an unknown quantity that is at the exponent in an equation, what I have to do is I have to get the same base on both sides of the equation. On the left side, we have 4. On the right side, we have base 2. So what I have to do is I have to get the same base 2 on the left side as well. Okay, we know that 4 is a power of 2. It can be written as 2 square. And on the right side, we can write the same stuff as it is. Okay, now I got the same base on both sides. Whenever two powers are equal with the same base, we can equate the exponents. When I equate the exponents, I am getting 2 equals to 14x. Now let me divide both sides by 14 to solve for x. This 14 will cancel out. 2 goes into 2 1 times and 2 goes into 14 7 times. I am getting 1 over 7 equals to x. Here I got the value of x, that is 1 over 7. I find this 1 over 7 in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.